All right, let me share more about our featured factory or company today. So we have Yonglang Group Company Limited. Now this company was actually founded in 1993, and they are actually a professional manufacturer of children's amusement equipment and early children education industry enterprise. Now they have a registered capital of over 1 billion Chinese yuan. Now, Yonglang is actually also a board member of CTJPA. Not only that they are a certified supplier, they're also part of the CTJPA. Now, Yonglang branded products cover theme parks, amusement parks, kindergartens, schools, communities, and such. Now, they export to over 90 countries and regions worldwide. Okay, now we're in their workshop. And actually behind me is actually one of their workshops. We're in, the whole area is actually about 50,000 square meters. They have actually 200 skilled workers, and all these different warehouses or workshops actually are equipped with advanced CNC machines, auto welding manipulators, CNC pipe bending machines, CNC laser cutting machines, large CNC rolling machines, and all sorts of that. Now, also in these facilities or workshops, they actually process bending pipes, numerical control cutting and opening, spot welding, full welding, grinding, sandblasting, paint baking, packaging, and others. So behind me is actually a rotational mold. That means for big parts, because I'm in a facility right now where all the outdoor components of all the playground or amusement equipment are made. So big parts such as this one requires a special machine. Now this machine behind me is more like an oven or a furnace, and inside it is the rotational mold machine. So this thing just came out from this oven. If you move here, I want to share with you guys. So right now it is actually on the cooling stage. This huge sort of, it looks like something from NASA or from some space program training, right? But what's in there is a freshly baked mold or a plastic component on one of these playground amusement equipment. All right, so we are in one of the facilities, which is the powder coating facility. This is where all the galvanized steel, galvanized pipes are actually being painted, but with powder coating technique. All right, so I'm in one of the facilities, which is the research and development facility. Now here in Yonglang, they actually have around 30 employees or skilled designers that are actually in charge of designing retrofitting. Like for example, this guy, our friend over here is designing a playground, and what I can see is using some 3D rendering. He does different designs, fitting specific parts, and all these designs will actually come to the production line. They'll be produced, probably a client's request, probably a design requirement from a customer. So these guys are in charge of that. Now, the Yonglang Research and Development team is actually committed to industrialization of modern education and culture, development and upgrading of science and technology.